Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Traxxas slash 4x4. So this is the, I chose the green model, red and green. So on the outside it says battery and DC charger included. Hold on. And then you got the front. It includes the TQ radio. On the top, it shows like a diagram and stuff. Waterproof electronics. Titan 12-turn 550. XL5 speed control. On this side, it shows you all the things that's included. Truck, the remote, the battery, DC charger, toolkit, and instructions. On this side, it has the Titan 12-turn 550 motor, the XL5 speed control, 2.4 gigahertz TQ radio, the SCT tires, and the Traxxas ID battery. So, is that all? And then it just shows the same stuff on the side. So, as you can tell, I'm really excited. This wasn't supposed to come until the 6th. And right now it is the 28th of December. It wasn't supposed to come until January 6th. So I got a big box that says Jags on it, and I was like, is this for my mom's car? Ooh, grips. This is so cool. Okay, I've always wanted this truck. So, open it. First thing you get is your 2.4 gigahertz TQ transmitter. And score! I opened it on the front. What are the odds? Take it out. And I'm going to show you the goodie bag first. So, you get the normal Traxxas goodie bag, and so you got the parts manual, all the warranty information stuff. At the end you have a bunch of exploded views and stuff. You have the battery and charger page. You have the quick start guide. You have what is this? Oh, this is the warranty information. You got shock spacers and stuff. You got foam for spacing. Body clips are huge. You got some nice toolkit. You got the normal T-wrench along with 1.5, 2, and 2.5 millimeter hexes. Don't know what this tool is, so leave in the comments below what you think that is. I think it's to make the U-joint, the U-axles. And then you got the 4-amp peak detecting DC fast charger for the 7-cell nickel-metal battery. And put all this stuff to the side. So, plug the battery in there. That plugs into your car. I have the Easy Peak Dual, so I won't be using that. And out rolls your truck. Let's see if the battery's out here. Nope. I think it comes with like 4 extra body clips and the stuff that's included. So, body clips come off. These body clips are big, guys. I've never had 10 scale body clips. Holy cow, this is awesome. Sweet body. Love the body. I went with the green. And all the XL5, the important stuff that I don't need because I've had a RC car before. I know how they work. So let me flip you guys around. There it is. Haha, this is awesome. Got your Traxxas high current connector. Titan 550 12-turn, XL5 speed control, your waterproof receiver box, your waterproof servo, and I like the stubby little antenna. So that way it doesn't stick to the top. You got, oh, that's cool. It comes with a new drive shaft. I don't think it's the blue one. No, it's the black one, and it comes with a cover on it. So, yeah, that's really sick. So this thing, the suspension on this thing is awesome. And I don't have to worry about the interchangeable things, because on the two-wheel drive Slash, the front and rear tires are different. Holy cow, these are hard tires, and they're really, you can hear them how grippy they are. And this, it lifts off, and you have you go like this, and you can put a shorter battery. See, that's for a 23 millimeter. Or you flip it around, and you can fit a 25 millimeter battery. I believe the 23 millimeter is for nickel metals, and the 25 millimeter is for lipos. So this can hold up to a 2-cell lipo. So this can hold a 2-cell lipo, not a 3-cell. Cause I had to spend all my money that I got on this truck, so I didn't have enough money to get the brushless. Oh, talk about solid suspension! Holy cow! Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. As I break this truck, I'm going to put upgrades on it. So, see you guys later. Subscribe.